In this 2025, people who are making real money with AI are not the people who are using the most AI tools. They are people who understand the language of AI. People who know how to ask the right questions. These are people who are using the right AI language. AI language is not just about asking questions, but knowing how to ask the right one. The way you communicate with AI will determine whether you will get an average result or you will get a strategic monetizable result. In this video, I will walk you through 5 critical AI language skills that separate winners from losers. If you want to earn, build, or lead in the AI economy, you must master this language of power. So let's dive in and let me begin to take them one by one. Number 1 skill is precision and clarity. Think of AI as a professional assistant. It's just like hiring a professional and giving it job description. It follows your guidance with strict obedience. AI can only hit the target if you aim correctly. Precision and clarity is the foundation of this new language of power. If you have it, you can achieve a lot with AI. If your input and questions are vague, the response you will get may be useless. The more specific you are regarding your format, your audience, your tone, determines the result you will get at the end of the day. If you get this correctly, you unlock the powerful value of AI tools. You need to specify what, who, how, and why. For example, don't say, write a blog post about business. Instead, say, write a 500 blog post in a friendly tone, explaining 3 AI tools most business owners can use to save time. That is how you will be able to unlock great value using all these AI tools. And that takes me to number 2. Number 2, rich context awareness. AI tools do not know your intent. They do not know what you want to achieve. So you need to give it rich context that will make it to function very well for you. Too many people use AI tools like a mind-reading magician, expecting it to know exactly what you want to achieve without giving it proper direction. AI is not a magician. It won't read your mind. You have to tell it exactly what you want in order to get the best result. So to get the best result, you need to include the key details, the goal, audience, industry, tone, or style requirements. For instance, you can say, write a 200 Instagram caption promoting a 5-minute mindful routine. The audience is busy moms in their 30s. The tone should be warm, encouraging, and practical. Use simple jargon-free language that feels reliable and uplifting. You see, with this, you have given the AI tool the exact details of what you want, and then the result it will give to you will be an optimized result that you can use to make money for yourself. So the next time you are using your AI tool, give it rich context so that it will give you monetizable output. So let's go to number 3. Number 3 is prompt chaining. Instead of overwhelming the AI with one large abstract request, break your questions into smaller interconnected parts. These techniques improves accuracy and depth. Think of it like building a house, one block at a time, but strategically linked together. For example, rather than saying create an AI-powered business plan, you can break it down as follows. Step 1, you can define the business model. You can say, what are 3 profitable AI business models for a solo entrepreneur in 2025? When it gives you that, then you go to the step 2, outline launch plan. Based on the second model, write a 4-step outline for a launch plan, and it will give you that. Then you now go to the third one, step 3, expand explanation. You now tell you to expand step 2 into a 200 details explanation. By the time you gather all these outputs and put them together, you see that you have a more concrete and monetizable output that will help you to unlock great value. These are the essential skills you need to learn in this 2025 for you to be able to make more money from AI tools. These interlinked questions not only improves quality, it also gives you greater control over the direction and the output of your AI tools. So let's go to number 4. One of the most powerful skills you need to learn in this AI economy is role assignment. Assign role to your AI tool. When you assign role to an AI tool, tell it to work like a lawyer, tell it to work like a business coach, tell it to work like a financial assistant or financial analyst. You activate the specific domain behavior pattern of the AI tool. In that situation, you get the best from that AI tool. Instead of saying, what should I post on Instagram? You can say, act as a social media strategist. What content would you recommend to grow engagement for a healthy and wellness coach targeting busy professionals? With this, you get the best from that AI tool because in that state, it works like a professional and it gives you professional results. So next time you want to use an AI tool, give it a role so that it will give you the best output. Number 5 skill you really need to learn is iteration. It is feedback time. AI is not a vending machine. It is a collaborator. And like any good collaborator, it gets better with feedback. Don't settle for the first result. Use iteration to refine, adjust, and optimize your output. Start with a base response and then guide the AI tool to improve on the result it has already given you. Checking your output, you can refine and condense. You can tell the AI tool to make it shorter or adjust the tone to make it more persuasive. You can also check the adaptability and the structure. You can also add some specific details like bullet points or reframe the content for a different audience such as beginners or whatever, depending on what you want. You guide the AI tool to be able to give you exactly what you want. The winners in this space are not the people that get the fast result. They are the ones who go back, refine, and extract gold from these AI tools using iteration. Treat AI like a creative partner, and you will unlock exponential value from all these AI tools. All these things I am telling you is what I have done. I've experimented them and it works like magic. So to win in this 2025 with AI tools, you must go beyond tool usage. You need language mastery, the ability to instruct, frame, and iterate with purpose. These 5 skills are your digital power, and if you use it well, you unlock great value from all these AI tools and use them to make money for yourself. Those who learn these AI skills will lead, while others will be left behind. So don't get left behind. And if you are getting value from this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share the video to your friends. And let's keep learning and upscaling our AI skills. This 2025, like I said before, there is no dulling. You must make money with all these AI tools that are coming out on daily basis. Follow me on this channel and we'll continue to learn and continue to make money with all these AI tools. There are so much to be made. And the earlier you join, the better. Drop a comment in the comment section with your favorite prompt technique or any challenge you are facing so that we can discuss it and then find ways around it and continue to make money. Remember, it is Amy Wealth Money Lane, where we'll talk about everything that has to do with money and how to make money online. Start now because there is no time.